Open the book to the pattern you want to enlarge. Today I'm doing the 1789 strapless stitched stays in brown linen twill from Patterns of Fashion 5. Wow, that was quite the tongue twister. So many S's in a row! Next, grab a cell phone or a camera and take a picture of the pattern page. You want to make sure the book and the camera are as flat and level as possible. If you have trouble getting the book to lay flat, you can prop it up with any household object. I find a stack of books works well. Once you have your book laying nice and flat, go ahead and take your picture. If you're using an iPhone, the camera app will automatically display a yellow cross and a white cross on the screen. Line them up and you know your camera is perfectly level. Transfer your photo to your computer, then open it in Preview. Crop the photo to the area you want to print. I decided to only include half of the pattern since the two halves should be roughly the same. Any necessary differences will be unique to the person and will be dealt with later during the mock-up process. The next step is to enlarge the image. Make sure you are displaying it at actual size by clicking View, then Actual Size. The scale of the grid lines is provided by the book at 1:4. Based on this scale, every 2 squares shown here should be 1 inch when enlarged. The image here is 47 squares across, so divide that by 2 to get your enlarged width. That comes out to 23.5 inches. So now we know that the total width of our image should be 23.5 inches. Click on Tools, then Adjust Size, and enter the desired width. The height will auto-adjust to maintain correct proportions. Unfortunately, Preview does not have the functionality to print an image maintaining the actual size we just entered. So we'll need to use another program like Adobe Acrobat to do that. Click File, Export, then choose PDF. I also like to choose to save in black and white here to save ink while printing. Open the newly saved file with Adobe Acrobat Reader or other program of your choosing. In the ribbon at the top, hit the drop-down and choose to display at actual size. Then click File and Print. In the menu that appears, select Poster. When you do, you should see in the preview on the right-hand side that the image is going to print across multiple pages. Just what we want. Now click Print and you're done. Take the printed pages and tape them together, making sure to line up the pattern pieces. Then cut them out and you will have a pattern that is thicker, more durable, and easier to work with than the typical modern paper patterns we're all so used to.